Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. One of the customer has just now called me. His chiller is not cooling, so let's see what is the problem. It's too long loud beside the Singapore. This is too long loud. There's a Singapore. If you see the right side it is Singapore Woodland. That one is Singapore Woodland, and this is the Strong Loud. So let's go. So dear viewers, we have arrived to do I will repair one of the chiller. This is the chiller, so I have come. So let's see what is the problem, what is the reason it's not cooling. So fan is running and compressor is running. When I touch the filter is very hot. So see the condenser, this is the main reason. Condenser is very dirty and I need to service. That's why temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. If 22 degrees Celsius, cool is not enough, should be 4 5. 3 is all the best. So now I'll clean it. So it will take time, then it will be back after cleaning. So dear viewers, I have cleaned. If you have like this brush, more better. This brush is very good for cleaning. See, lot of dust here. Yeah, has been cleaned. After cleaning the brush and use a blower machine. Because blower machine will clean inside the condenser. Inside the condenser by brush cannot clean, so you must use a blower machine for cleaning the inside the condenser. So dear viewers, I have checked. When I check the gas, dear viewers, when I check the gas is only 20 psi. So its gas is R22. See, gas is R22. If R22 for 3-door chiller 20 psi, it's not enough. Should be 35 to 40 psi. So only 20 psi, so it's not enough. So I have to refill gas also. R22. So now 35 psi, 35 will be best. So now temperature is dropping 20 degrees Celsius. I told to customer within 2-3 hours it will be cool, because now it's cooling, so it will full to cool, it will take 2-3 hours. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.